Hi everybody, Robert back here with more Revit training, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Today we're going to look at views. Pretty simple. So here what I want to do is we're going to start off with our elevation view, and this is our 3D model here we've been working on, the MEP model, and this is like our power room, electrical room that sits here. So really how you do a view, you will just activate the view column, which I have here, and you want to have this view active. So you see it's open now. So I want to select elevation, and then we will place this. Let's change this scale. Let's go to a 1/4 inch scale. There we go. So we'll place this here, and what you'll notice is if I select it and I place it, let's place it right about here because we want to focus on this area. So I'll place it here. Then we select it, and then you'll see these little question marks pop up. And so here I want to click this one and this one. Therefore, these two views will be active, and then well, this one I don't want to see either. Okay, hold on here. Just undo that back. Let's just place it again. So I'm going to go to my elevation view, and I'll set this right here. And I'll cancel out. Then I'll select it. And the views I want to see, I want to look at this view and this view. So what I'll do is I'll hit the check mark here, and I'm going to turn on my project browser so you can see what's happening here. And I'm going to hit the check mark. Sorry, here. So these are the two views I'm focusing on. I don't know why this one is still on. Let's check it. I don't want to see this view, but in the meantime, I'm not going to worry about it. Let's select this. Let's see. Yep. So these two views I want to focus on here. And then what we'll do is we'll select this. Then we got this crop region here. So I don't need to see all this, so I want to just drag the little dot and bring this all the way across to right about there. Okay, so let me see if I can bring that back here. So I want to see this. And then with this one, the same thing. So these are crops, so we're going to see that. And from here to here. Okay. So now I've got it cropped out to what I want to see. Actually, I want to bring this in a little more, right about there. Let's double check this one here. Okay. So now let's open this view right here. And there we have our view of the wall that we're looking at. And there's a side view, and I might want to do this in fine view. So that's all to it. That's how you would make a elevation view. So now let's go and have a look at the other view. So I want to go back to my main floor plan. Nope, not that one. Sorry, this one here. There we go. So I'm in this view now, and I want to select this one. And there's that view, and make it fine. So now apparently, let me go back into my power plan. Select this guy. Yep, we can might bring this in a little more. So you get where I'm coming at. So these are how you do your elevation views. And then you might want to create a sheet, make a partial plan. So it's a lot we can do here. So now, another view we want to look at, we want to also go into our project browser, and we'll see those views. So if I go down to elevations, there they are. Where are they? Okay, here. Okay. So I need to create a sheet for that one. Wait a minute, I'm in the wrong view, I think. So these are not highlighted or numbered here because I don't have them created. Trying to find my elevation views over here. There they are, building elevations. Let's scroll down here. Okay, so what we're going to do here is this. So now we got this view, and I'm going to just create a sheet here. If I can get this done quickly. Oh, I got one already. Nope. So we're going to create a new sheet. So I'm going to shut this down, and I'll go right click, new sheet. Go okay with that one. Now, what's got to happen here? I got these two views that I created, these elevations. There they are right there. So now, if I want, I can take this guy and drag and drop it onto this sheet. This is an 1/8 inch scale, but we probably want to go at a 1/4 inch. So I'm going to undo that back, and I'm going to make this 1/4. Now let's drag and drop these sections that we created for these elevations. There's that one. There's that one. So it's very simple here. That's how you do your elevations. And I want to go back to that power plan here, and there you see it's reference to that sheet and those two views. Now, what we also can do here, like say, let's take the 1C or the 1. We can open this, or we can duplicate this. And then you can rename these. Let me rename this to whatever you want. Let's just say other things. What we got in here? We got a transformer, MCC. So let's go and just rename this to Transformers and Motor Control Center. And you can say okay. Now if I go back to that sheet, I can bring this guy in as well, even though we've got a duplicate view. So that's how you see those two. So this one's transforming an MCC, and this one is just a regular view. Now I'm going to go back into that floor plan, the power plan, and this is how you do a section view. Now section view is very similar to elevation, but you can pick up more stuff. So let's go into our section, and we want to go a section from here to here. And you also get your cropping. So we just pull this up. I might pull the whole thing. I say to here, and this one across this way. So if I double click here, there's that view. I can make this fine. Okay, and then the same way here, we can go into the drawing that we created. Actually, I want to make these a little larger. I want to make these, they're 1/4 inch. Okay, this is just such a small sheet. So we'll go with this for now. So we'll take our section that we created. This is section 1. And just drag and drop it right here. So this is how you create views in Revit. You've got elevation views here. As you can see, it says elevation. And then here you got sections. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I had a question about views. And then we can rename views, crop views, and create elevations. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this every day. I'm doing it once a week. So hey, again, please subscribe and y'all be safe. Take care. Bye.